Good morning. Am I audible?
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Okay, chalo. So in the last class, we have done up to where we have stopped. Tricyclic antidepressant we have done, no? We have done with tricyclic antidepressant mechanism of action, है ना? Last structure we have done with the structure. Imipramine,
हाँ.
है ना?
Just IUPAC.
IUPAC we have done. Okay. So just IUPAC means. So this one is an important drug, a star mark drug in your syllabus. So this is comes under the category of tricyclic antidepressant. So you know what you have to do if the drug is having star mark in your syllabus. You have to study the synthetic part of that drug along with the mechanism of action. Plus, you have to go through the structural activity and relationship of that drug, dose of drug, any kind of modifications are there in the market preparation belonging to that drug or belonging to that category of drug, that also you have to see. If not there means it's not required, it's okay. Okay, so I have checked any modification of drug is not there, but synthetic part will go through with the synthetic part. Structure we have done, structure IUPAC name कर दिया हम लोगों ने. Again I will write, should I write that structure again with IUPAC name? Should I repeat or not required? I will start with the synthesis. Should I start with synthesis or should I write that structure plus IUPAC name? कोई कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है. I hope that your college will start offline. It's very difficult. कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता आप लोग को क्या बोल रहे हो, कुछ बोल रहे हो नहीं. So should I write the structure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. I will start with the structure IUPAC name plus structure of the drug. So this structure imipramine, imipramine. So this is star mark drug. This belongs to the category of tricyclic antidepressant. Tricyclic antidepressant. So tricyclic antidepressant is a category to which this drug belongs. Okay. So the name of that drug is imipramine. Structure I am writing. This structure is having 7-membered ring as benzodiazepine with 1 nitrogen atom over here, then 2 benzene ring connected to this 7-membered ring. Okay. So I already said that you have to write the double bond near to the 7-membered ring saturation. Then here you are having CH2, sorry, CH2 and N 2 methyl group over there. Okay, we are having 2 methyl group on the nitrogen atom. So if you want to write the chemical name for that drug, we know that we should label the nitrogen atom on a heteroatom or carbon atoms which are present on the cyclic atom. Okay, so we have to label the category of carbon atom and nitrogen atom present in the ring structure. Okay, now so you people know that if you are coming from this side, this also gets same number. If you are coming from this benzene ring, will get the same number or label to that substituted one. Okay, so I'm going to start from this side. You can start from this side also, you can start from this side. से एक ही नंबर मिलेगा, सेम ही रहेगा, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं रहेगा. So आप ऐसे नहीं, एग्जाम में मैडम has said that we have to write from this, she has written from this side, we also write this from this side. It's not like that. इस कार्बन एटम को from where you are starting the numbering, that should be near to that number 1 heteroatom. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, so 10 and 11. Now we are having this here and here 10 and 11. So these carbon atoms are saturated. These are not unsaturated. So while studying the IUPAC name heterocyclic component, we have gone through one rule that if saturation is there, there we have to write the prefix hydra. We have to write the prefix hydra or italic h we have to write over there. तो अब क्या करेंगे, ये substituted है, इसको लगा हुआ है. Then we'll give numbering to this also. So we are not going to start the numbering from nitrogen atom because this one is having two methyl group. The major category associated with this chain is the cyclic ring. So we'll start the numbering from here onwards. That is 1, 2, 3. On third position, we are having the nitrogen atom. We are having the nitrogen atom. We are having the nitrogen atom. So fifth position, I'm going to write on fifth we are having, okay, fifth, 3. So this third one, 3 dimethylamine it is, dimethylamino, I'll close the bracket. So this one is propane, methane, ethane, propane. So I'll write propyl. I'll close this square bracket. Now substitution is over. What is there on fifth position? Now I'm going to take this structure to write the chemical name. This substitution is left. So what we have to do? 10 and 11. Already we have figured out that 10 and 11 is saturated one. Okay, it's not unsaturated. So carbon 10 and carbon 11 is dihydro, ठीक है, dibenzazepine. Dibenzazepine. You can write like this also from here onwards, or you can do another thing. 10 and 11 H, okay, 2H, 2, it means dihydro, 2H dibenzoazepine. ठीक है, you can do this thing also. ठीक है, ये आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, आप वैसे भी लिख सकते हो. Anyway, you require the chemical name for the structure. So this is about the chemical name. This is belonging to the category. Already we said that the tricyclic antidepressant, this one. So tricyclic antidepressants are required to stimulate the neurotransmitters which were present in the alpha autoreceptor. So these are acting directly on pre and postsynaptic neurons. Okay. So uses belong to the category, chemical category मैंने already बोल दिया. This is belongs to the chemical category of tricyclic antidepressant. And अब अगर uses की बात करेंगे for this drug, synthesis we'll see later. It is used in the treatment of endogenic depression, used in the depression. Endogenic depression and exogenic depression both are different. ठीक है, exogenic depressions are those depressions that are not permanent. They are like for short term. ठीक है, endogenic depressions are long term depression, so that require treatment. So exogenic depressions are those depression that doesn't require the long term treatment of the drug. ठीक है, so depression, endogenic depression, particularly psychosis, brain psychosis. And also used in the treatment of bedwetting. bedwetting in children up to 6 years of age. 6 years of age. Okay. So it can be used as endogenic depression, plus it can be used in the patient like children pediatric bedwetting. Okay. If they are 6 years of age or above 6 years of age. 6 years of age, the dose of the drug is 50 mg. If more than 50 mg we are giving, then above 6 years of age it is. So this is about the imipramine. Uses antidepressant, endogenic antidepressant. Chemical name is over. Chemical category, it is belong to the category of TCA. Okay. Now we'll see how this drug will get synthesized, because this one is a star mark drug in your syllabus. So synthesis, we'll see how it will get synthesized. आपको पता है 1 7-membered ring we are having, and we are having 2 benzene ring and 1 substituent cyclic alkyl 3 carbon atom, 1 nitrogen atom and 3 methyl groups are there. Accordingly we have to select the starting material. So here structure क्या है हमको पता है, synthesis of imipramine. Synthesis, we are going with the synthesis. For to synthesize that one, the starting material which is required for us is here 1 methyl group and here NO2. Orthonitrotoluene. Orthonitrotoluene. Okay. Orthonitrotoluene. Then another one molecule of orthonitrotoluene. 2 molecule we required, because we are having 2 benzene ring and 1 7-membered ring plus 1 substituted atom attached to that. So 2 benzene ring यहाँ पे मिल गए, because we are going to take 2 molecules of orthonitrotoluene same. ठीक है, ये भी दोनों 2 molecule. We are going to add this, will add both of this with ethanoic acid. ठीक है, HCOO C2H5 plus sodium ethanoate C2H5, ethanoic acid and sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate NaOC2H5. ठीक है. So they will get condensed in presence of the salts of ethanoic acid and acids of ethanoic acid. ठीक है, salt और acid दोनों लिया हमने. So here we'll get the condensation of the 2 molecule of benzene ring, the condensed product we are going to get. So 2 methyl group we are having. So those 2 methyl group will get joined like this in this format. So here we are going to get our 6-membered ring. So we are having 2 nitro group, NO2 and NO2. Okay. So here this one is our benzene ring. Now the chemical name, I'm going to write the chemical name for this one. 1 nitrophenyl. 2 1 nitrophenyl and another one on second position we are having 2 O. O means orthonitrophenyl. O. Orthonitrophenyl. O nitrophenyl. Nitrophenyl ethane. ठीक है, 1 nitrophenyl, 2 nitrophenyl ethane, because methane ethane it is connected over here. ठीक है, 1 and 2, first and second position 1 and 2, 2 carbon atom है अपने पास, दोनों connected है. So IUPAC name for this one is like this. So we got this one. Now what required? We require the 6-membered ring. What will happen over here? तो अब इसको क्या करेंगे? We are going to do what we will do, reduction, because in the last time synthesis of benzodiazepine we have done one synthesis. Benzodiazepine में एक synthesis किया था. There also we got the same product in the same format. that is aldehyde condensation reaction. ठीक है, condensation. Here what we'll do, nitro group is there, means we'll go with the reduction. NiH2 in presence of Na, sodium and ethanol. So the bar what is showing over here, what we have to do, we have to dissolve the sodium metal into the ethanol. So ये dissolve होने के बाद ये solvent एक लेना है, nickel catalyst reduction करना है. With in presence of nickel catalyst we have to do the reduction, then we have to add sodium in ethanol, that solvent we have to dissolve to this thing. इतना करने के बाद what we'll get, we'll convert this nitro group into amine group, because one is amine in that one nitrogen atom we are having. So here after doing all this thing, what we'll get, those two nitro group we are going to convert into NH2. NH2. Okay. Here one more NH2. So this is our benzene ring. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now next process is cyclization. Elimination of, when we are heating this one molecule of amine will get eliminated. It will undergo cyclization at 350 degrees centigrade. When it will undergo cyclization, what we will get? Of course, we are going to get one nitrogen atom over here with proton. Okay. So two benzene ring either side of this 7-membered ring. Okay. So we got two benzene rings, sorry, one 7-membered ring we got. Okay. Now what else we required in our imipramine? We required the substituted one. To get that substituted one, what we are going to add? We are going to add the dichloropropane, because 3 carbon atom we are having. To remembering that, to in the structure to 3 methyl group we are having. Okay. So 3 methyl group we are having means dichloro, because it has to be it has to get one nitrogen atom, it has to get connected with the substituted one. ठीक है, सब कुछ याद रखना है when you are designing the synthetic protocol. ठीक है. So dichloropropane 1 2 3 1 3 dichloropropane, reduction of HCl. ठीक है, ये reduce होने के बाद we'll get one chlorine atom, of course, and benzene ring over here. ठीक है, अब आपको समझ में आया क्या मिलेगा हमको? One nitrogen atom, of course, the proton will get eliminated in the form of HCl. उसके प्लेस में हमको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? CH2 thrice 1 Cl. That propane we got, propyl chloride we got substituted, CH2 thrice propyl chloride. Now what else we required? We required dimethyl amine. Dimethyl amine चाहिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे उसके लिए? We are going to add the dimethyl amine. चाहिए तो हम उसके अंदर ऐड करेंगे dimethyl amine, CH3 CH3. So it is available, this catalyst is already available. We are going to add this one to this one. जब हम ऐसे डालेंगे then we are going to get our imipramine. ठीक है, वो अपना 7-membered ring, of course. ठीक है, एक नाइट्रोजन एटम के साथ में. ठीक है, CH2 thrice N CH3 and CH3. So here we are having 2 benzene ring. ठीक है, so ये अपना हो गया अपना structure of imipramine. Understood? So this is the synthetic part of the imipramine. Star mark in your syllabus. ठीक है, अगर see, you remember this protocol while writing the structural activity and relationship we have done with the mechanism of action. We know that this drug inhibit the reuptake of biogenic amine. Biogenic amine को inhibit करेगा ये. कौन सा biogenic amine को inhibit करेगा? It inhibit the biogenic amine like 5-hydroxytryptamine and norepinephrine. So these are the neurotransmitters which were present in neuron connected to the axon. ठीक है, अब ये काम करेगा release of norepinephrine. Directly it going to block the release of norepinephrine by depolarization. अब depolarization हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है? पोस्ट सिनेप्टिक पे हो रहा है, that is alpha and beta adrenergic receptor. So we have to block that one. The huge number of transmission of those neurotransmitter can be stopped by this imipramine. Then it will that metabolic reuptake cycle will get converted into normal form in presence of this drug. Before giving this drug, that one is abnormal. When we are going to give imipramine, that neurotransmission cycle, metabolic cycle will get into normal stage or normalized form. So this is the importance of that drug. अब ये याद रख के what we have to do, we have to write the structural activity and relationship of that drug. अब उसके लिए हमको चाहिए structure. We required the structure for that drug. Now we are having structure over here. Already we have drawn. The first point what we have to do while writing the structural activity and relationship, we should remember how many benzene atoms, कहाँ पर heteroatom है, कौन सा ring connected है, minor. So this one is a major ring and these are the minor ring, two minor ring associated with one major ring. Why it is major ring? Because the size of this ring is larger than this minor ring. So these are larger. With size, you are having one substituted heteroatom in that. Because of that also this one is a major. Because of the size also this one is a major. Because of substitution attached to this 7-member ring, that's why it's this molecule, this member of ring is major one. ठीक है, so these are the minor one. इसको छोड़ देते हैं while writing the SAR of that drug. ठीक है, उसको बाद में काउंट करते हैं. The main point, when this drug is going to attack on the targeted receptor, it will, when it will get bind to that target receptor into the pocket, what it will do, this structure जब bind होगा particular receptor, respective receptor पे जब bind होगा, like 5-hydroxytryptamine and norepinephrine, तो वो release को कम कर रहा है ना, तो डायरेक्ट उधर ही एक्ट करेगा. So first point in the SAR, this structure is having 7-membered ring. ठीक है, 7-membered ring linked with 2 benzene ring. ठीक है, you are having one 7-membered ring, 2 benzene ring with primary, what you are having with primary or tertiary amine. It depends on the substitution which is attached, it depends on the modification what is done on that structure. ठीक है, प्राइमरी अमाइन का मॉडिफिकेशन है तो प्राइमरी अमाइन और सेकेंडरी अमाइन. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी अमाइन. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी अमाइन at center of the ring, because primary and secondary present over here. So at the center of the ring, it contains 7-member and 2 benzene ring, one 7-membered ring. That 7-membered ring contain primary or secondary amine attached to center of the 7-membered ring. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अटैच है. Center of this ring, which are required to produce stimulation activity at target part. Target part means the receptor where we are targeting. So that is important. Target part means depressant activity, antidepressant activity, because it is blocking the neurons. ठीक है, antidepressant activity. So एक पॉइंट हो गया अपना. सेकेंड पॉइंट, अगर if any kind of substitution, अगर यहाँ पे है नहीं substitution, if substitutions are there, second स्ट्रक्चरल एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप के अंदर सेकेंड पॉइंट. ठीक है, substitution, if substitution of halogen or cyano group at C3 position. C3 position where? Here. On this 6-membered ring, either on this 6-membered ring, C3 position. If we are starting numbering from this side, if it is connected, then it is connected on this 3-membered. अगर numbering आपने यहाँ से start किया है, you have started from this side onward, that halogen or cyano group is present over here. If you have started from this ring onward, your cyano group or halogen group attached on 3rd position. किधर से भी आप numbering लाएंगे, वो 3rd carbon atom पर ही attach रहेगा. There only it will get substituted, halogen as well as cyano group or cyano group, halogen atom or cyano group. अगर है substitution which increase the activity, ठीक है. Increase the activity means the half-life of this drug before substitution with halogen or any kind of cyano group, the half-life is less. To increase the half-life of that drug, we'll do the modification on that structure. If we are doing modification, we are going to do the modification at carbon 3 position with the halogen or cyano group. Only halogen, what is mentioned, that only, not other than halogen or cyano group. So this halogen or cyano group increase the activity. Agar if it is acting 1 hour, duration of action of this drug is 1 hour, with the addition of this substitution of this halogen or cyano group at that position, the time of 1 hour, agar substitution raha, then it increases the activity, then duration of the time will also increases 1.5 or 2 hours. It depends on the molecular weight of the halogen atom which is there on the periodic table. अगर bromine है, chlorine है, higher molecular weight है, then the activity is more than compared to the halogen atom according to the molecular weight of those halogen atom. अगर कम molecular weight है, then the activity is less. If more compared to chlorine is less than bromine. ठीक है, bromine रहा तो activity is more, some more activity will get increased. If chlorine is there, then activity is less as compared to the bromine atom which is present on that C3 position. ठीक है, तो 2 point हो गए SAR के अंदर. One is about the 6 and 7-membered ring, substituted nitrogen atom with primary and secondary amine. Second SAR is for substitution of halogen atom at C3 position, halogen or cyanide group. And third point in the SAR is maximum potency of the drug occurs when the basic nitrogen is replaced by propylene bridge. The activity, the maximum activity will produce when basic nitrogen is replaced with propylene bridge. When basic nitrogen replaced with propylene bridge. देखो कौन से बेसिक नाइट्रोजन की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. 2 नाइट्रोजन एटम वी आर हैविंग. ठीक है, so we are talking about this nitrogen atom. Basic nitrogen atom means which is connected to the base component. Base component means major ring. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट तो दोनों मेंबर रिंग के बारे में हो गया. सेकेंड पॉइंट अटैचमेंट के बारे में हो गया. थर्ड पॉइंट इफ एनी हेटेरोएटम्स वर देयर इन द रिंग, दैट इज योर थर्ड पॉइंट. ठीक है, सॉरी थर्ड पॉइंट, any substitutions are there other than this chain that we have done, that is halogen and cyano group. The next last second fourth point we are going to come towards the heteroatoms which were there in the ring. ठीक है, अगर ये heteroatom को हम replace कर देंगे, if we are replacing this heteroatom nitrogen atom with the CH group, N को हटा के पूरा 7-membered ring कर देंगे, then the activity of this drug will be increased more as compared to imipramine. Activity रहेगी But if we want to increase the potency of that drug, then we are going to replace that nitrogen atom with the CH2 group. ठीक है? So these are the 3 points. The presence of ketone dimethyl C10 कहाँ है अपना भाई? C10. अब मेजर पार्ट यहाँ पर, अगर यहाँ पर कोई सब्स्टिट्यूशन है तो दिस 3 points are enough for imipramine. ठीक है? अगर यही imipramine के, if you are getting any one, you are not going to get other structure except imipramine, because the star mark drug is imipramine only. So you are going to face the SAR of face the question on SAR with imipramine only. Other drugs, what you are having in your drug bank, स्ट्रक्चर यूजेस केमिकल नेम पूरा याद करना है. जहां पर स्टार मार्क है उसका SAR, उसकी कैटेगरी, उसका केमिकल नेम, उसका सिंथेसिस, फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी लाइक मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन, everything you have to do with the star mark drug. Star mark नहीं है, only you have to go with the structure, chemical name and uses. बस इतना ही करना है. So ये 3 पॉइंट याद रखना for this one. So एक 7 membered ring, दो benzene ring, एक connection attached to this one, secondary or primary amine, replacement of nitrogen atom for the potency. This is for activity, this is for potency, this is for production of activity at the target part. ये 3 point याद रखो. That is about the SAR of that drug. ठीक है? So this is about the imipramine. Synthesis is over. We have done with the synthesis. Now we'll move on to next category of drug which is having antidepressant activity. ठीक है? Next category पे जाते हैं. So this is about the TCA. Tricyclic antidepressant का SAR. So we are going to end up with the tricyclic antidepressant. One more example is there in tricyclic antidepressant is imipramine and chlorimipramine. You are having chlorimipramine. Chlorimipramine. So this is next drug. Already in SAR we have said that at C3 position, if we are having any kind of halogen atom, means potential the activity of that drug will be increased. ठीक है? ये याद में रखो. Chlorine is there, imipramine ही है, but it is chlorimipramine. Structure same रहेगा. ठीक है? 7 membered ring we are having imipramine. So as usual, nitrogen atom we are having as usual CH2. ठीक है? CH2, then as usual CH2 3 CH methyl group, one nitrogen atom connected with 2 methyl group. ठीक है? अब बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है imipramine और chlorimipramine में? Of course we are having 2 benzene ring either side of this 7 membered ring. So दो benzene ring हो गए अपने पास. So these are the 2 benzene ring. So I already said that you should not write the saturation in this form, unsaturation, because that is in sharing. अगर पूरा round लिख रहे हो then it is okay. If you are writing so showing the unsaturation, you have to show in this form because it is in sharing. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया अपना, कुछ नहीं, same है, but here you are having chlorine. That's why it is chlorimipramine. वो structural activity में हमने बोला था. Only the difference between both the structure, imipramine and chlorimipramine, same structure. There is no differentiation in the structure. Only the difference is we are having one halogen atom at this C3 position. ठीक है? Because this drug, some more potency of that drug we are going to increase. Half life of that drug will be increased. इसका synthesis नहीं पढ़ना है. Synthesis imipramine का ही पढ़ना है. So numbering I am going to, I have written chlorine atom over here. So I am going to start the numbering from this 3, 4, 5. देखो हमने बोला था 3, पोजीशन 3 पे ही रहेगा सब्स्टिट्यूशन ट्राईसाइक्लिक एंटीडिप्रेसेंट में. अगर आप नंबरिंग यहाँ से ला रहे हो तो इधर इसको मत देना, 5, 6, 7 हो जाएगा, बहुत दूर हो जाएगा. सो वी शुड गिव द नंबरिंग इन द फॉर्मेट दैट सब्स्टिट्यूशन एटम शुड बी, the location of that substitution atom should be near to numbering where we have started. That IUPAC rule we have to apply. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 over here and line 11 over here. खत्म हो गया, अभी बात खत्म हो गई. Now we'll see the IUPAC. नेम फॉर दैट ड्रग. अब हम लिखते हैं IUPAC नेम. वी नो हाउ टू राइट द IUPAC नेम. पहले वाला जो स्ट्रक्चर था सेम, ओनली द एडिशन in this IUPAC name chlorine. At third position we are having chlorine atom. ठीक है. So I'm going to write directly. I will start with the, थोड़ा अलग करती हूँ मैं इसको. ठीक है. 10 11 10 and 11 because chlorine I have to add 10 and 11 dihydro. Okay. On third position we are having chlorine. ठीक है. क्लोरो. अब आएगा फिफ्थ. ठीक है. क्लोरो. On fifth position, of course, we are having 3. अब 3 कहाँ से आया ये मत पूछना. 3 1 2 3 it is. ठीक है. 3 dimethyl amino. 3 dimethyl amino. We are going to close that one. So ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट को क्लोज करना है. 3 क्लोरो प्रोपाइल. ठीक है. प्रोपाइल क्लोज कर दिया हमने इसको. फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे अपना नाइट्रोजन एटम है. बेंजीन का नहीं लिखा आपने, 7 मेंबर्ड का नहीं लिखा. वी हैव डन विद द 10 11 डाइहाइड्रो. थर्ड पोजीशन वी आर हैविंग क्लोरो. फिफ्थ पोजीशन वी आर हैविंग 3 डाइमिथाइल अमाइनो प्रोपाइल. और अभी बेंजीन और 7 मेंबर्ड रिंग बाकी है. फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द saturation over 5 membered ring. ठीक है. 5H will write. Hydro we are not going to write. Hydra already we have written. So 5H di, of course dibenzazepine. ठीक है. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप. पूरा IUPAC नेम गया. डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया क्या मेरा? dibenzazepine disconnected. Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. I disconnected.